Hello everyone, I'm Nimade MS Marina from 5B class. Now I will explain about a strategy to improve the students' writing skill. Actually, writing is so boring for my students. Therefore, we need an effective teaching strategy to encourage their writing skill. This strategy is called roundtable. Roundtable is one of the strategies in cooperative learning where the students will work in group. Then each group member should give their response or their answer in turn. Roundtable strategy is appropriate for all studies, but now I'll focus on 10th grade students who will learn about descriptive text about person, animal, and also tourism object. And to implement this strategy, we only need 5 steps. First, divide your students into several groups which consist of 4 until 5 students. After that, ask your students to sit in the circle with their group and provide just a paper and a pen for each group. After that, don't forget to explain about the rule of the game where each member should give their response or their answer to describe a person in the picture given in turn. Second, give them a question or an instruction which has multiple answer or multiple response. In this case, because I will teach about descriptive text, I will show a picture about a person, then give them an instruction. Please describe a person in this picture. Third, lead the students to start the activity. The first group member should write down a sentence to describe a person in the picture, and after that, the next group members will continue to write down until the time is up. Fourth, ask each group to present their work. After that, the teacher can choose a group which has most correct sentence and then give them a reward. Fifth, do evaluation of the activity. Don't forget to ask your student about what they have learned in this activity. Well, everyone, you also may add an additional information if you think it's needed for your students. Well, everyone, that's all about the implementation. Now let us move to the strengths and weaknesses. So, why do we need to implement roundtable in our writing class? First, roundtable is fun and interesting because it is in the form of game, so the students will not be bored and they will be easier to understand the materials. Second, students will be more active in learning because each student will participate in learning by giving their response or their answers in turn. Third, the students will encourage their critical thinking and also develop their idea in order to find many answers for a question. And fourth, the students also learn how to cooperate and work together with their group in order to find and also answer the question. Despite of the strengths of roundtable strategy, there are also the weaknesses of this strategy. In implementing roundtable strategy, teacher may find difficulties in making a question which has multiple answers. It is because not all materials can be made as a question which has multiple answers. Then, teacher also may find difficulties in designing the reward for the group. Well, everyone, if you want to implement roundtable strategy in your class, I recommend you, please do not give an expensive reward such as trophy or medal, but give them a meaningful reward such as star or candies. Well, everyone, that's all about roundtable strategy as one of the effective teaching strategy to improve students' writing skill. I hope you can get new inspiration after watching my video so you can try to implement roundtable strategy in your class. So good luck and have a nice day. Thank you.